The Commonwealth government has issued an ICBM missile attack. This is not a drill. The Empire of New York has launched 3 intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBM missiles, at the Commonwealth of New England in retaliation against our invasion. These missiles are capable of entire city destruction. Confirmed targets are Providence, New Haven, Hartford, Manchester. These are all cities so far confirmed about to be hit. If you are in radius of these cities, get to shelter immediately. You only have 4 minutes. Take cover in the basement or lowest floor in a building. Stay away from windows and doors. Put as much space between you and the outside for protection. We will try to ensure your safety. Keep a first aid kit, water, food, and a battery-powered radio to keep updates on the situation. May God be with you.